What's the meaning of crofter? Crofter. Crofter.
Crofter. Crofter. A crofter is a person who rents or owns a small farm, typically in Scotland or Northern Europe. The term croft refers to the specific type of farming land, which is usually a small plot of pasture land with poor soil quality. Crofters typically engage in subsistence farming, raising small numbers of livestock and crops for personal use or local sale rather than for commercial purposes. In addition to farming, crofters may also engage in other manual labor or trades to supplement their income. Overall, being a crofter involves a simple, self-sufficient lifestyle centered around the land.